Welcome to Monster Truck Classics unboxing of 3 Monster Jam mini trucks here in this video. So you can see that I already opened them up because I wanted to make sure I had the right truck once I got home. And so here we are. I wanted to check them out also before I did the video. So, but on the back of the package here, you get the Fire Grave Digger, then you get the Max D version, that version of Max D, Zombie, the Black Toro Loco, the 30th anniversary green scheme of Grave Digger, then the chrome of Blue Thunder. Up top, Mohawk Warrior. I forget the name of the other one that's below Mohawk Warrior. Then there is Earth Shaker, Son of a Digger. There is Soldier of Fortune Black Ops, and then Monster Mutt. So here we go, or if that's Monster Mutt Dalmatian, I'm not sure. It would be one of them. But let's go ahead. Here also on the back of the package, this is how you'll find out which truck you have by this. There's the barcode, and then this big black line of numbers, and you take the last 2 numbers, which this one is 54, and it is going to be Mohawk Warrior. So take it out. There we go. There is Mohawk Warrior. Very nicely done. Very cool with the graphics on such a small toy. The Gray Clips Mohawk Warrior. Really enjoy the Mohawk on top of the truck. And then also it says Great Clips, and there's some design there on the hood of the truck. And then there's the other side. So that's Mohawk Warrior. And then the next one, which is number 56. So here we go with a Soldier of Fortune Black Ops with a clear see-through body, which I would really wanted just the regular black body, not the see-through. You also get the see-through wheels and tires. So we'll just bring it up closer so you can see it. There we go. I wish it just had that plain body look. Didn't really know that before I purchased it, but I didn't know if I would ever get another Soldier of Fortune Black Ops. The last truck in this one is the Black Toro Loco, and the number for this one is number 49. So here is the black version of the Toro Loco. Really like the design of the truck, kind of the red horns, the fur. So enjoy seeing the teeth. So very cool. I really enjoy these mini series. So you see the other minis in this video that I have. So thanks for tuning in.